I'm gonna shift that door skin up.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the cone.
Alright, I have a Yukon here. This one's getting a new door skin, which is just the outer panel. You could buy a complete door, and on some cars you could buy a door skin. And quite a few cars you could buy door skins for. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get this one cut off. And then I'll show you guys how I go about putting the new one on. So I was going through the procedures for replacing this door skin, and they actually don't recommend, they actually say in here, they don't recommend putting the top section in unless you actually have to. They have a section and procedure to section it in at the belt molding on both sides, which makes replacing the skin way easier. So that's how I'm going to go about this one. Alright, this door skin's looking pretty good. It's a little tight right here at the top and a little down. I'm going to shift that door skin up just a little bit and back. So in order to get this back in alignment exactly where I have it sitting once I put the glue down, I am going to drill 2 holes, one here and one on this side, and I'll use those as alignment holes when I put it back on. I'll line those up with sheet metal screws. Side shifted on me a little bit when I started drilling. I'm gonna dive into this front door repair. Most of it is scratches. There's a little dent down here. I'm actually gonna try to glue pull this. Just a small spot right here. And the rest of it's just scratches on the door.